Today you will get honest, unbiased ClickFunnels review by a real user because I'm actually using ClickFunnels, right? So let's go. What's up you guys, your boy Mario here. If you don't know me yet and if this is your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button. I will help you build and grow your online business, okay? So ClickFunnels is a sales funnel software. Basically, they are changing the lives of entrepreneurs all over the world. And today I will share with you both cons and pros of this software. And so what's a funnel? If you don't know what's the funnel, it's basically websites are pretty much dead now, and you need to have a step-by-step, you need to take people through the process, through the funnel to make them convert, right? And ClickFunnels is a website and sales funnel builder for entrepreneurs. People who just use websites will be left behind. They already are, right? And so ClickFunnels gives you the tools and strategies that you need. Basically, they use what is the pro about ClickFunnels is that they use it's like everything in one, like all the tools in one software, so you don't have to waste time on all kinds of different tools, and that's just exhausting. So ClickFunnels helps you generate leads, right? Sell your products, and so they also have a version of their own autoresponder for follow-up emails. But this is something that I don't like as much, and because it's kind of a little bit of confusing and not as user-friendly to use, right? So for emails, I use ActiveCampaign. It's much more user-friendly and really easy to set up automations and all of that. And moreover, you would have to get premium package, which is $297 platinum ClickFunnels account if you would like to get Actionetics, it's called, their autoresponder basically. And so another con is the price. When I was getting started, even the starting package, which is $97 per month, seemed like a lot. It may seem like if you are like me and I was using WordPress before, right? It's really cheap, and but in hindsight, it's one of the best decisions I made to move towards ClickFunnels, because when I was using WordPress, it was like I had to use all kinds of plugins, and things were breaking down all the time, and it was time consuming. And even though I'm paying more now for ClickFunnels, everything works smoothly, and my funnels are not breaking down, and I can sell the products through my funnels. I can build sales funnels and membership sites and opt-in squeeze pages, everything in one place, right? So and so now let's take a look at the inside look of ClickFunnels, right? So this is how it currently looks like, and so here you can build any kind of funnels, right? Here is follow-up funnels, basically email, autoresponder, backpack. You can create an your own affiliate program basically, and so you can get like free traffic. You can get other people to promote your products for free, and you will pay them commission, right? Another cool thing is funnelflix. So that's basically like a Netflix for entrepreneurs. It's more valuable than a 5-year marketing degree, or literally the things that you can learn inside of this are incredibly powerful. And so now let me show you how simply it is to build a funnel inside ClickFunnels. So you just you can come here to funnels, and then you build a new funnel here. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that you basically are limited by the number of funnels that you can have, and with the 97 per month package you get up to 20 funnels, and it's more than enough, you know, but you sometimes need to delete the older ones that didn't work as well, and and you have up to 100 pages. So there is that limitation, but so it's a con of ClickFunnels, and if you need more, you need to upgrade to 297. But you know, it's more than enough for you to use to have 20 funnels. You probably won't even use all of them. So, but it's something I also wanted to mention. So now let's get to funnel building. So you just click, you build a new funnel. And awesome about ClickFunnels is that you have all these cool templates that you can choose from, and you can choose accordingly your goal, like if you want to collect emails, sell your product, or host a webinar. You can even like build webinars inside ClickFunnels, or you can create custom funnel, or you can choose here from these templates, and you can choose also accordingly to industry you are in. So if you're an author, speaker, coach, consultant, like professional services, retail, e-commerce, B2B, right? All kinds of things. And so let's say that you want to launch a product. So you choose product launch funnel, you select funnel, and here you have explanation from Branson, who is the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and you can even click and check out the funnel map here, describing like what is the flow of the funnel and all of that description. And here you can choose template. What exact product launch funnel would you like to get? So let's say that you want to sell something high ticket, right? So this is actually paid, right? This is a paid template, but you can use just free. You don't have to go for paid. So let's say that you choose this one. You click on get funnel. So you wait for a while till your funnel will get delivered. And then you can start editing. You get all the steps, and now you need to just edit all the steps of the funnel so it matches your business and your offer and all of that, right? So you just go to edit page and you start editing it. And here you see, you can watch all the stats, like conversion of your funnel, how many people opted in, how many people converted, all your sales that you do, right? So ClickFunnels is a drag and drop software, so you can basically take this and put it somewhere else if you want to, right? And as simple as that. And then you can edit more, like the headline here, right? And or you can edit just the color. You can use red if you want to. And then you can put your video here. You just choose, like if you put it on YouTube, and you just put your link here or your video, and it's pretty simple to use. There is a learning curve in the beginning, but before you know it, in a couple days you will be master of ClickFunnels. And then you just save your work. You can preview it if you're satisfied, and then you exit and you edit all of your funnels. So this is how simple it is to use ClickFunnels. And even though it has some cons that I mentioned, I still love it and use it daily for everything. You can basically, you don't need expensive designers, copywriters, and you can even purchase your domain through ClickFunnels. You get everything in one place. And when you try to build business, focus is everything. And when you can build everything on ClickFunnels and don't have to use 10 different softwares and tools, and then you will get stuff done faster and you will become more efficient. And all ClickFunnels templates are optimized for conversion to make you money actually. If you try to use some other cheaper solutions, that you may find cheaper solutions, but they will not convert as well, and you will in the end you will lose money without even realizing. And so the ClickFunnels also has an awesome support if you get stuck. But and there are I know there are tools and software that is like one-time payment, so you don't have to pay every month like in ClickFunnels. But all those softwares just disappear and lose the support, because it's impossible to make this business model work without support. And that's what gives ClickFunnels the edge to innovate, because they have resources to innovate and stay on the cutting edge of the trends of marketing, and make sure that you actually make money with them. So if you want to test ClickFunnels, I will put link below, and you can get it for free actually, 14 days for free. You can click just the link below, you will get 14-day free trial and test it out. And when you use my link, I will give you my support, and it will help you to succeed with ClickFunnels. I will even give you some templates if you need to. And okay, so, and now you can watch my other video right here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so now, because I want to help you start and grow your online business. Okay, I will see you on the next video.